Now let us continue. You see on the chalkboard you have given two functions, and we have some questions, which is the one is A and B. You see on the chalkboard. Now think on those two questions, and we're going to do it together. So guys, let us continue. So now we have our two functions, and we have asked to join those two functions here at the sub-equation A. We have f of gx, right? So now let's find the number 1a. It is f of gx, which is f of x is equal to, we have given 2x plus 4, and gx, it is 3x plus 6. Then we are going to find the combination of those two functions, where f of gx, it will be. So now, before substituting those two functions, you have to see the function which is here on the value of x. You have to substitute this function where it has x. It means you have to write f of, how is the value of gx? Come here above, where we have gx is equal to 3x plus 6. You have to write here in the place of gx, you have to put 3x plus 6. It is because this value is the value of gx. Now it means here we have x. Yes? So it means we still have f of x, where x is equal to 3x plus 6. It means in our function f of x, where x is, we have to put 3x minus 6 in our f of x. Then it is here on f of x, we have 2 times x. X, remember, is equal to 3x plus 6. It is 3x plus 6. Close the bracket, plus this number 4. Now, let's multiply these two to those two factors. Then it is 6x plus 12 plus 4. Right? Now, finally, we still have, let's have this. It will be, we are going to collect similar terms. We have, it is 6x plus 12 plus 4. Then we still have 6x plus 16. This is the combination of two functions, 6x plus 16. It is f of gx is equal to 6x plus 16. Right? Also, I have to remind you, if you are new on our platform, don't go without subscribing. So now let us continue for sub-question B. Sub-question B, this is B, which is, it is f of g. In the place of x, we have given 3. Right? Now, in our combination of two functions, where it is f of gx is equal to this equation, it is a quadratic, it's a linear equation, excuse me. We are going to put this 3 in the place of x. Then we should have f of gx is equal to 6x plus 16. Right? Then f of g of this 3, we should get 6 times 3 is equal to x. This is x times 3 plus 16. Then this f of g of this 3, it will be 18 plus 16. Now finally, we should get it is 18 plus 16, it is 34. F of G of these 3, it is 34. So this is how to find a functions or a linear equation of two functions when we have given those functions, right?